Hi everyone and Happy New Year. 2018 has come and gone, and whether you're sad to see it go or glad to have a fresh start, it's important to look ahead and decide what you want to have happen in 2019. Now, you might not always be able to predict what happens in every situation, but there is one factor that you absolutely can and should make a conscious effort to control, and that is the way that you sound. The way you use your voice has incredible power over the way that people interpret what you're saying and what they think about you. For example, are you speaking too quickly in a higher strained pitch without even realizing that you're coming across as frantic and desperate? If so, you're giving away your power. Or do you tend to drone on in something of a monotonous run-on sentence, which makes you sound both bored and boring and is really just a toned-down version of a pattern that's called upspeak, which you might think is just a Valley Girl thing, but is really just as counterproductive no matter which version you use? If so, you're giving away your power. Or maybe you have a habit of trailing off at the ends of your sentences with that gravelly, froggy-sounding voice. Now, if you're feeling indifferent or insecure, trust me, everyone can tell. And if you're not feeling that way, everyone now thinks that you are. Once again, you're giving away your power. Are you starting to see a pattern here? So set a goal for yourself for 2019 to speak with your best leadership voice. Breathe fully and speak from the diaphragm or belly. Put confident periods at the ends of your sentences by letting your pitch drop rather than going up like a question over and over again. But don't drop your pitch to the point where it bottoms out in that crackly vocal fry. If you've set leadership goals for yourself this year, I guarantee that you cannot achieve them fully without mastering your leadership voice. So here's to a confident, successful, and happy 2019.